Hello students, welcome back with another lecture of physics standard 9th. ठीक है, मोशन इन वन डायमेंशन हम पढ़ रहे थे. ठीक है, उसमें से कुछ क्वेश्चंस मैंने करवाए थे और कुछ क्वेश्चंस अभी मैं आज इस लेक्चर में करवाने वाला हूँ. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, एन एयरप्लेन lands at 216 km per hour and stops after covering a runway of 2 km. Calculate the acceleration and the time in which it comes to rest. ठीक है, तो क्या क्या चीजें दी गई है पहले मैं वो लिख देता हूं. गिवन, सो दिस इज सॉल्यूशन. गिवन एरोप्लेन लैंड्स एट 216 किलोमीटर पर आवर, मतलब ये इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है, एंड इट स्टॉप्स मतलब फाइनल वेलोसिटी 0 होगा. तो इनिशियल वेलोसिटी which is denoted as u, and that is 216 kilometer per hour. For simplicity, I'll convert it to meter per second. You know how to convert it. 216 multiplied by 5 by 18. 5 by 18, right? So this is, I think, 18 ones are 18, 2 is 12, 5 are 60. 60 meter per second. 60 meter per second. Then final velocity, we just check. Final velocity, which is v here, it stops, right? रुक जाता है, तो उसकी जो वेलोसिटी होगी वो 0 हो जाएगी. डिस्टेंस कवर्ड, is s, denoted as s, and that is 2 किलोमीटर. ठीक है, 2 किलोमीटर है, मैं इसको 2000 मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर लेता हूं, बिकॉज दिस इज मीटर पर सेकेंड, सो दिस हैज टू बी मीटर, राइट? I need to find acceleration A. I also need to find time T. ठीक है, ये जो गिवन डेटा है इससे आपको पता चलेगा कि अगर आप फॉर्मूला लगाओगे by applying the formula, which formula? V square is equal to u square plus 2as. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. What is v? 0. What is u? That is 60 ka square plus 2 times a, you need to find it out, and s is 2000. Right? So if you just check here, this is 0, this is 3600 plus 4000 into acceleration. So 3600 will come this side, it will be negative, is equal to 4000 into a. So this implies that 3600 divided by 4000 is equal to a. Right? Right? So your acceleration in this case would be, I think, yeah. So this is 410, this is 9, which is equal to negative 0.9 meter per second square. So acceleration here would be negative. Why it is negative? I think I've already explained you the significance of negative acceleration here, just because the velocity is decreasing, and that's why acceleration is negative, right? So we've got acceleration as minus 0.9 meter per second square, right? Now if I need to find velocity, I'll use a formula by applying formula v is equal to u plus at, right? You know what is v? That is 0. You know u, that is 60. A here is minus 0.9 times t, right? So this is minus 60 is equal to minus 0.9 times t. This will get cancelled. So what you're going to get here, your time here would be 600 upon 9, which is 3. This is 200, which is 66.66 seconds. इतना टाइम होगा उसको लगेगा लैंड होने के बाद रुकने में, 66.66 seconds, right? It was very simple, right? मैं ये कहूँगा कि आप पॉज करके पहले इसको क्वेश्चन को पढ़ें, ठीक है, खुद से कोशिश करें, एंड देन ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, राइट? लेट्स मूव टू अनदर क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. A racing car initially at rest picks up the velocity of 180 km per hour in 4.5 seconds. Calculate acceleration distance covered by the car. Very simple. Let me write the given. Now what is given? Initially. So initial velocity is given. Initial velocity, which is u, and that is equal to 0. Rest पे था. Then it picks up the velocity. That means final velocity v would be 180 km per hour. So 180 into 5 by 18, which is 10, which is equal to 50 meter per second. I've converted into meter per second. The time is given is equal to 4.5 seconds. What do you need to find? You need to find acceleration and you need to find distance covered. You need to find distance covered, which is s. वेरी सिंपल. देखो 3 फॉर्मूला है. 3 फॉर्मूला में अगर आप फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे बाय अप्लाइंग द फॉर्मूला which was v is equal to u plus at. देखो दूसरा कोई फॉर्मूला अगर सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे तो उसमें नहीं मिलेगा. इसमें आपको मिल जाएगा. v है आपके पास, u है, टाइम है, तो एक्सेलरेशन मिल जाएगा आपको. राइट. सो इन दिस केस my v is 50, u is 0, acceleration we need to find, and time is 4.5. Right. So this is 550 is equal to 4.5 times a. So this is 50 upon 4.5 is equal to a. So this is 500 upon 45. So this is 100 and this is 9. Right? So 100 by 9 which would be, so therefore here acceleration would be 11.11 meter per second square. This is the acceleration. This is the acceleration. Right? Now I need to find distance covered. You have two formulas. S is equal to ut plus half at square, or v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So I would write v square is equal to u square plus 2as, right? So by applying the formula, which was v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Now what is v square? That is 50 square. U is 0 plus 2 times. Now in this case I would not consider this, I will not write 11.11. It will make my calculation tedious. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 100 by 9 times s, which is same as 11.11, right? So this is 2500 is equal to 200 upon 9 into s, right? I think this is we don't have any issue, right? So this will get cancelled. So 25 times 9 upon 2 is equal to s. So this is 25 times 9 is 225 upon 2, which is 1112.5 meter is the distance covered. 112.5 meter is the distance that is covered. It was very simple again, right? बहुत आसानी से इसको किया जा सकता है, right? Okay, this is next question. A motorbike running at 90 km per hour is slowed down to 18 km per hour in 2.5 seconds. Calculate acceleration distance covered during slowdown. Again, that's very simple, right? Write it down what is given. So what is given? A motorbike running at 90 km per hour. So what is the scenario? Initial velocity is 90 km per hour. So initial velocity is 19 km per hour. So initial velocity, which is u, that is given as 90 km per hour. Now convert into meter per second. So 90 times 5 by 18. So this is, I think, 5, which is equal to 25 meter per second. Similarly, I have final velocity. Which is v, and that is 18 km per hour. So 18 times 5 by 18, which is 1, which is equal to 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second, right? I need to find what is acceleration. I need to find what is acceleration. I need to find distance covered. Need to find distance covered, and that is S, right? So what I need to find? I need to find, okay, time is also given here. Time is also given, which is 2.5 seconds, right? Again, by applying V is equal to U plus AT, I can get what is A, and then by applying V square is equal to U square plus 2AS, I get S. So very simple, right? So by applying the formula like V is equal to U plus AT. Now what is V? V is 5. What is U? U is 25 plus A times 2.5. T is 2.5, right? So 5 is equal to 25. 25 plus 2.5 times A. So 5 minus 25 here is minus 20 is equal to 2.5 times A. So this is minus 20 upon 2.5 times A here. So this is minus 200 upon 25, because 0.5 it will go up. So A. Now here A would be, therefore my A is minus 8 meter per second square. Acceleration is negative in this case. Right? Right? Now I have two formulas. S is equal to ut plus half at square and V square is equal to U square plus 2as. I will be using V square is equal to U square plus 2as. So by applying the formula, which is V square is equal to U square plus 2as. And what is V square? This is V, which is 5 square is equal to 25 square plus 2 times A. What is A that you got here? Minus 8 times S. So this is 25 is equal to 625 plus, here it is minus 16 times S. So this is 25 minus 625 is equal to minus 16 times S. So this is equal to minus 600 is equal to minus 16 times S. This will get cancelled. So 600 upon 16 is equal to S. ठीक है? So there is nothing much about it, right? तो आप इसको आप calculate कर सकते हो, right? If you just check, let me cancel with 4. This is 4. 4 ones are 4 5s are right. Again I can cancel with the 4, which is, I think 4 3s are 12, right? So this is 4 3 are 12, 4 7 are 28.5. So this is the distance that has covered, right? 37.5 meter is the distance that it has covered, right, while slowing down. ठीक है, बहुत आसान है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है इसमें, right? Let's move to question number 8, right? A motorbike running at 90 km per hour is slowed down to 54 km per hour by the application of brakes over a distance of 40 meter. If the brakes are applied with the same force, calculate the total time in which bike comes to rest and the total distance traveled by bike, right? So इस केस में थोड़ा सा सिनेरियो चेंज हो जाता है. चेंज कैसे होता है वो देखो. ये थोड़ा अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. इट्स वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन, राइट? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. लेट्स से you have a vehicle here, right? It is moving with here 90 km per hour. 90 km per hour. It moves a distance of, let's say, 40 meter. 40 मीटर डिस्टेंस मूव करता है और ब्रेक अप्लाई करता है. तो ब्रेक अप्लाई ही कर रहा है, उसकी स्पीड यहाँ पे ना 54 किलोमीटर पर आवर हो गई. और ये ब्रेक सेम फोर्स से अप्लाई कर रहा है और धीरे धीरे जाके कुछ डिस्टेंस और कवर करके ये रुक जाएगा. ठीक है. A motorbike running at 90 km per hour is slowed down to 54 km per hour by the application of brakes over a distance of 40 meter. 40 मीटर पे पहले 90 km per hour था, अब 40 मीटर कवर करने के बाद 54 km per hour हुआ. If the brakes are applied with the same force से अप्लाई कर रहा है, तो कैलकुलेट द टोटल टाइम इन विच बाइक कम्स टू अ रेस्ट एंड द टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय बाइक। सेम फोर्स से लग रहा है तो धीरे धीरे करके ये रुक जाएगा, तो मुझे पता करना है कि टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना है और कितना टोटल टाइम लगा। ठीक है, ठीक है। तो अभी मेरे को क्या करना है, अभी पहले मुझे इस सिनेरियो पे बात करना है, पहले ये वाला सिनेरियो पे, सीन 1 पे। ठीक है, क्या है सिनेरियो? इस सिनेरियो में मेरा इनिशियल वेलोसिटी जो है that is equal to 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर, which is equal to 25 मीटर पर सेकेंड। यू कैन कैलकुलेट 5/18 करके। फाइनल वेलोसिटी in this case would be 54 kilometer per hour, which is 15 meter per second. And distance covered in this duration, distance covered in this duration, distance covered as here is 40 meter, right? I need to calculate, first of all I need to calculate what is an acceleration, what is an acceleration। ठीक है, अगर मैं ए कैलकुलेट कर लूंगा तो बहुत सारी चीजें आसान हो जाएगी। देखो, बाय अप्लाइंग अ फॉर्मूला v स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू u स्क्वायर प्लस 2as, राइट? व्हाट इज v? 15 स्क्वायर, दिस इज इक्वल टू 25 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 टाइम्स a टाइम्स 40, so this is 225, this is 625 plus 80 times a, so this would be minus 400 because this will come here, plus 80 times a, and therefore a here would be minus 400 upon 80, which would be equal to minus 5 meter per second square। minus 5 meter per second square से एक्सेलरेशन होगा। ठीक है, अब इसका काम खत्म हो गया, अब ये वाला काम खत्म हो गया। अब क्या करो, अब देखो अब क्या है, अब इसको आप भूल जाओ, अब इसको आप भूल जाओ। ठीक है, इस वाले पॉइंट। अब इनिशियल वेलोसिटी आपकी 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर है, फाइनल वेलोसिटी 0 है, एक्सेलरेशन इतना है, क्योंकि सेम फोर्स से जा रहा है तो सेम एक्सेलरेशन होगा। मेरे को टाइम निकालना है। देखो, अब इनिशियल वेलोसिटी, अब इस कंडीशन में इनिशियल वेलोसिटी कितना रखूंगा मैं? सेम जो कि पहले लिया था। कितना लिया था? 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर, विच वॉज 25 मीटर पर सेकेंड। अब मैं फाइनल वेलोसिटी कितना लूंगा? फाइनल वेलोसिटी कितना लूंगा, राइट? Final velocity v would be here 0 because I am considering the whole, and acceleration here is minus 5 meter per second square. So if I need to find time, I know formula v is equal to u plus at. What is v? That is 0. U is 25 minus 5 times t. So this is minus 25 is equal to minus 5 times t. So therefore time here is 5 seconds. तो total time लगेगा रुकने के लिए वो 5 seconds लगेगा, वो 5 seconds लगेगा। ठीक है, अब टोटल डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है तो क्या करूंगा मैं? क्या करूंगा? एक फॉर्मूला लगाऊंगा। कौन सा फॉर्मूला लगाऊंगा? v स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू u स्क्वायर प्लस 2as। व्हाट इज v? 0। u कितना था? 25 का स्क्वायर माइनस 2 टाइम्स 5 टाइम्स s। वाई माइनस? बिकॉज दिस वाज माइनस नेगेटिव एक्सेलरेशन, राइट? माइनस 5 इसलिए। ठीक है, तो ये इधर आ जाएगा 625 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 50 टाइम्स s, सो दिस विल गेट कैंसिल। This is 625 upon 50, right? That is equal to s, which is equal to here 12 sorry, not 12.5. There is some issue with it. 5 to ja, it's 10 here. It's 10, not 50. So 10. So here the total distance is 62.5 meter. The total distance is 62.5 meter. देखो, यहाँ पे यहाँ से यहाँ जो total distance होगा वो 62.5 मीटर होगा, राइट? सो दिस वॉज वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन। मैं आपको कहूंगा इसको 1-2 बार देखना अच्छे से, शांति से, एंड ट्राई टू